Okay, today we have an unboxing of a new special edition from Lamy. It's the Lamy Studio Black Forest. It comes in it comes wrapped in white tissue paper. You can just slide that off. And then it has a dark gray sleeve with the Lamy logo and information on it in silver. I'm going to slide that off as well. And then you have your gift box with the Lamy name on top. It's magnetic. And then inside you have, it's kind of an interesting material. I like it. It's really soft too. So it's a dark gray. And then you have the Lamy design made in Germany in silver on the lid there. And then your Black Forest Lamy Studio here, wrapped in a little plastic pen sleeve. Okay. And then you have your special edition Black Forest Lamy Studio. It's a really great color. Okay, I'm going to set this aside for just a second so we can see what comes with your pen. You can lift up the false bottom easily with the little tab here on the side. The packaging is really nicely put together. It always is, but this one seems particularly lovely. This is your information about the company and the pen, and it is a fold out, so you have plenty of information in this little compact brochure. And then the rest of the information that you'll need is here in your little warranty policy. And it's really tiny, but you're going to want to hang on to that just in case. And then you also get one ink cartridge with your pen, as well as an ink converter. Okay, when people describe the Lamy Studio, they typically, it's a pretty elegant pen design with those flat ends with the classic tapered shape. But then it's a great contrast with this kind of twisted propeller shaped pen clip. So those elements together just create this really distinctive but simple pen design that people love. This is as I said, the Black Forest, and it's one of the special edition colors of the 2021. The special edition Lamy Studios are simply a new color that is going to be released in the popular Lamy Studio design, and they'll be limited. So when they run out, then there will be no more to purchase. Okay, and you have a snap or a compression cap. The pins do come fitted with a stainless steel nib. The section is metal, as is the barrel and cap of the pin, although the section does match the chrome colored trims rather than the Black Forest colored material of the barrel and the cap. Your Lamy Studio Special Edition fountain pen does come with a Lamy LT10 ink cartridge and the Lamy LZ26 ink converter, so you'll be all set when you get your pen. If you're interested to see how the fountain pen functions, you go ahead and unscrew the barrel from the section, and this is where you'll insert either your ink cartridge or your ink converter. I love the contrast of the chrome colored trim against this deep dark Black Forest color. It's a great combo. Here's a close-up look at the cap where the Lamy name is there right beside the clip. Shimmering, a really subtle shimmer that kind of coordinates and pulls that silver trim into the pen design. The pen did come with your included cartridge and converter, so we're already aware this is a cartridge converter pen. And in order to use your cartridge or your converter, you just open it up by removing the barrel from the section and insert either one here. The Special Edition Black Forest finish on the pen is a glossy metallic finish that might be a little bit difficult to fully catch in video or images, but it's really beautiful. I hope I got you at least a glimpse of this great new addition to the Lamy family. Find more information at pinchlet.com.